Discovering Untouched Paradise, the best waterfalls you've never seen. Video description. Are you tired of seeing the same old waterfalls in every travel guide? Look no further. Join us on an adventure to discover the best waterfalls you've never seen before. From secret spots hidden deep within the jungle to towering cascades off the beaten path, get ready to experience untouched paradise. 5 keywords. Waterfalls, paradise, adventure, hidden gems, nature. Intro. Welcome to our latest adventure, where we're taking you off the beaten path to discover some of the best waterfalls you've never seen. Get ready to be transported to untouched paradise, where crystal clear water and lush surroundings await. Voiceover. As we embark on this journey, we're leaving behind the crowded tourist attractions and venturing into the heart of nature. The first waterfall on our list is a hidden gem tucked away in the middle of the jungle. It's a bit of a trek to get there, but the payoff is worth it. As we make our way through the dense foliage, we hear the sound of rushing water growing louder with each step. As we round the final bend, we're greeted with the sight of a towering cascade of water, surrounded by lush greenery. This is just the beginning of our adventure, as we'll be taking you to even more hidden waterfalls that will take your breath away. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey to discover untouched paradise. Outro. Thanks for joining us on this adventure to discover the best waterfalls you've never seen. We hope this video has inspired you to seek out hidden gems of your own and explore the beauty of nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos like this one. Until next time, happy exploring!